Let Qhawekaziwear earrings make a statement. Let them people look at you and be like, wow, your earrings. Like, hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Shami Qhawekazi on the go. I'm back again with another video, but this time I am unboxing. It's actually an entrepreneurial vlog because I am unboxing earrings for my brand. So let's unbox. Where is my scissor? Where is my scissor? You can't really see. Okay, so my earrings are from Romantic Creations. I will leave handles here if you're interested also in getting your earrings. These boxes are cute. Oh my god, oh my word. Locally made. Wait a minute. Jeez. I was worried for a second. This is how the earrings look. Qhawekazi. So they are white. White. Then there's green, yellow. Okay, so let's open another box. This one is written, "Thank you for supporting a small business." Wow. 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 The red, the black, another yellow. Guys, I need to. Which one? I think red. Guys, red. Y'all were never ready. Like,
you always find. Open up a bottle, and baby, you can have whatever you want. You taste so sweet, I can't help myself. You like candy, you like liquid honey. You taste so sweet, I can't help myself.
guys, you don't understand. Like, you don't understand. Like, no man, guys. I think these pairs that I just wore now, I'm gonna put them aside because I'm getting them for myself. The black one. Let Qhawekaziwear earrings make a statement. Let them people look at you and be like, wow, your earrings. Like, guys, I'm happy. I like my earrings. Like, especially the red one. The red one is insane. I'm definitely getting red for me. I think red is like my favorite. Like, I think I'm gonna take red and black for myself and green. It seems like I am gonna get all the pairs for myself. I only have 10 pairs, so this one is sold to me. Then I'm gonna take the red pair and then the rest. Yeah, so this is the black pair that I wore. I'm gonna put aside, and then another red pair that I wore and put aside. That's definitely for me. And then the rest, I'm gonna sell them. So if you're interested, guys, if you're interested in buying my earrings, just follow me on my socials. You DM me. I'll leave my WhatsApp number. You can WhatsApp me and place your order and place your orders. Yeah, guys, thank you so much for unboxing my earrings with me. Like I always say, guys, let's not forget to aspire to inspire before we expire. Till we meet again. Bye. Let me take some pictures with these earrings because wow, don't forget to subscribe, guys. Love you.